we only really started 2 years ago because nothing was done in the previous administration. Nothing was done in the administration before that. So, now, how long? 12 years on, ngayon pa lang talaga natin na inaasikaso ng mabuti. So, but the plan is there. The funding will be available whenever the schedule requires it.
It is a good afternoon for coming together to remember the victims of Yolanda. I have the honor to introduce to you the man who 3 years ago, on November 10, 2 days after Yolanda devastated the country, particularly regions 8 and 6, this man sent a convoy of medical teams that included 20 doctors, 20 nurses, and 40 relief workers to help in the massive search and rescue operations.
Huminto sa pagkauna-una. Nagtataka kami kung anong nangyayari. Akala namin may gera kung ano to. Pagkarami-raming vehicles, yung basahin ko. Salamat sa Diyos, si Duterte unang dumating sa Leyte.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man who is willing to sacrifice his presidency, his honor, and his life to bring about genuine change in the country, President Rodrigo Cadigong Duterte.
Yes, Rosalie, go ahead.
Good evening, Darlene. 205,000 beneficiaries who were victims of Typhoon Yolanda will avail the free house and conditional grant of lot of the government under the Duterte administration. This was the announcement President Rodrigo Duterte made before he ended his speech for the first housing summit of the National Housing Authority he attended under his administration.
The livelihood and educational programs of the Duterte administration have improved the way of living in the province of Leyte. This according to Leyte Governor Leopoldo Dominico Petilla, stressing that the number of malnourished children in the province has diminished, the reason why the number of enrollees went up. Several parents were also given livelihood, which pushed down the poverty rate in the province. The official also shared what he thinks the most impactful legacy of the current administration is.
Ganon ang nakikita ko sa mga tao sa Leyte. Diba? Tumaas ang pagmamahal nila sa bansa mahal ang pagmamahal nila sa province. So I think that is the most important legacy na maiiwanan ng isang leader na katulad ni President Duterte.
ngayon gumawa ng hakbang ang pamahalaan para maprotektahan ang mga mamamayan sa mga malalakas na alon at sa daluyong na dala ng bagyo. Ito ang Tide Embankment Project o mas kilala sa tawag na The Great Wall of Leyte. Hey, what's up guys? Tara, samahan niyo akong
It's been 8 years since Super Typhoon Yolanda devastated eastern Visayas and left thousands dead and millions homeless. But Tacloban City Vice Mayor Jerry Yaucasin laments housing for Yolanda survivors is still a problem.
Sayang naman yung pondo, no? I think billion yan for 15 housing units na commitment ng NHA. Then later on, you'll find out na 8 years after, marami pa rin, no? na hindi tinitirahan, no? Yung mga pabahay. Mayroon pa rin, hindi pa tapos. Mayroon naman walang itsura na, wala na yung mga jalousies, walang pintuan, then walang master list. No? Kung at the time of Super Typhoon Yolanda, dapat may lista na kung sino talaga natin bibigyan, sino talaga yung beneficiary. Hindi yung ngayon, after 8 years, kung sinong, sabi nga nila, kung sinong mas malapit, sinong kilala, yun ang nabibigyan ng pabahay.